All right, this is an exciting day. We got we're going to our job site, and we're going to be historians today because we're going to be working on a historical building here in this area. This particular house was on a piece of property supposedly that had 5,200 acres. It's no longer like that. All these houses were developed years ago. So we'll be approaching that house soon, and we're replacing some slate on the roof because it's in pretty bad shape. And I have something, a special surprise on this particular property where this house is that I'll have to show you. I'm not going to tell you yet, but our goal is to replace some slates on the roof to keep it up to date, because the roof is in pretty bad condition. And here's the house. Thankfully, I've got guys that don't mind working in the hot weather. Aren't we excited today? We're working on a historic home. It's kind of a hot day, maybe 90 degrees, and I'm grateful to have some guys that don't mind working in the hot weather on a roof, believe it or not. And this house, it's kind of old. From what I understand, it was originally on a piece of property that was over 5,000 acres altogether. It's been developed since then. It's actually near the water. It's not on the water, the bay here in Maryland. The customer needs a lot of new slates on the roof because it's pretty old. So we're replacing quite a few hundred slates on this house. So now we're going to take our drone and fly it up there and show you the view from the drone. Okay, so this tree is really, really old, probably older than the house. And you can see I just got to hug the tree. Oh, it's huge. It's completely, I don't know how old this is, but if you were to take a measurement from the branch over there and measure from that to the other branch that extends out, it's approximately 135 to 140 foot span. So supposedly this is the oldest oak tree of this type in the state of Maryland. Hello. That was a rough time out in that hot weather on the roof. Of course, I wasn't on the roof, and we're just celebrating with a nice iced coffee here. So this is where we do our production in relation to the office anyway. And I introduce to you my daughter, Mindy, who's a big help, and son-in-law, Stefan. And these are the production desks where we do the best we can to organize and schedule projects and so on. So hope you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for the next one, and God bless everybody. Enjoy nice iced coffee on a hot day.